Hello guys, Banks here. Just wanted to make a quick review of Overnight Millionaire Mind Hack. So I really like the product. It is 100% not a scam, and I'm going to show you guys everything what are you going to find in this product and what is this product about, so you can decide if this product is actually for you or if it's actually not for you. So you can actually decide at the end of the video. So the first thing that I want to say about this product, it is not a scam. It is also trusted by one of the biggest digital retailers called ClickBank. So here you can see if you're actually not satisfied with the product, with the purchase, you can actually request a refund. So that is something that really put us buyers in a good perspective, where if you don't like the product, you can actually return it and get your money back. Also here you can see 12,000 people bought the product, so that is something that is showing us that this product is actually a good one, because a lot of people already bought it and they didn't request refund. So the next thing, I'm also going to give you guys some bonuses at the end of the video, so make sure to watch this video till end. So the first thing that I like about this product, it is that this is the digital product. So once you buy the product, you're going to get delivered it instantly to your email address, so you don't need any shipping. And ClickBank, as I said, is a retailer just like Amazon, so it is a trusted retailer. That is also a good thing to know. So basically, this is a great self-help book if you ask me, but as I said, if you actually want to check it out, I really highly recommend it because it helped me tremendously so far. And also I know that this product is called Overnight Millionaire, but if you actually expect to get results overnight, I wouldn't recommend that, because this product really needs some time to put it in work, and then you can expect a product to actually work. So you can't really expect to happen overnight. As I said, the product is amazing, and the most important part when you try to buy the product, when you click on add to cart, so here you can see they are also giving away 10% of all the profits to homeless men. So that is really a good thing from Wesley, and I really liked it. That is why I also wanted to purchase the product, because they are also helping a community, and that is a great thing to do. So when you try to buy the product, here you can see there is a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you're actually not satisfied with the product, you can actually request a refund. But as I said, you're not 100%, you're not going to request a refund, because this product is great, and I think it is going to help you guys as it helped me. So also, if you go on right here, you can see there are different people talking about reviews. So there are a lot of reviews about this product, and there are a lot of feedback about this product that it really helped a lot of people. So here you can see a 17-year-old manifested a new car, and that is also amazing thing. So there are different ages right here: college dropouts, 47 years old. So there are a lot of people that actually are really happy with the product, and I think, in my opinion, this is a great product. Wesley was in many news, so you also know that he's legit, because he was in many news. So that would be it for today, guys. As I said, the bonus that I wanted to give you guys is I was searching for discount link for this product. So if you're searching to pay the lowest price for this product, the link would be in description of the video, because I know a lot of you guys want to save money just like me. So I wanted to find a discount link for this product, and as I said, if you want to get discount for the product, just click the link down in description. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, press that like button. See you soon and bye.